Alright, so I have the new start and kill switch installed. You can see the start switch here, nice and in place. This little wire hanging down here, this is for the heated hand grip. You see I kind of looped that. If it gets caught, it's not the end of the world. We'll just replace it, but I like to have those on here for those cold winter mornings. And then the kill switch is over here. So it cleans it up. The great thing about this install is that we didn't cut any factory wires, and I never ever cut any factory wires. Just like to make it so I can turn it back, but really just trying to minimalize this bike and just turn it back into a pure dirt bike. I'm really starting to get what Beta means by rideability. These bikes are really, really well outfitted. Really, in the United States, this thing comes as a dual sport bike. Played it and you're off and going. I mean, it's got such nice stuff on it, way more than I need for the riding that I do. So I'm just going to kind of take off bits and pieces that I don't need, and then have them for later, and maybe someday I'll want them. So let's go ahead and so nice and simple there. So these are from Tusk, so Rocky Mountain ATV here in the United States. I think total cost on parts is about 30 bucks US. So I'm going to keep putting these things together as I go through and continue to get zen with my 2018 Beta 300RR. Next thing I'm going to work on is getting that headlight to come on automatically. Remember to subscribe and like. Thanks.